Hello and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be taking these bits of wood, sanding them down, cutting them up, and seeing what kind of drawers we can make. So, I guess, let's get started. All right, well, this is basically done. I mean, we do need to do a few more, like, just flushing everything out, making everything even. But so far, this is a very crude piece of woodworking, and probably an insult to actual woodworkers. I mean, I was thinking about doing like an inlay set. So like I would cut out a bit of this on each side and get it down to like the middle point, and then cut out from the inside here just a groove for this, and then just put it in with some wood glue. But, and as this probably shows, I don't think my skills are quite there to be doing something like that. So this works, and that's kind of what I like about woodworking, is that it can be exact. Like, there are some beautiful pieces of woodworking that are pristine, exact, like measured to the millimeter, freaking beautiful pieces. But you don't have to. If you're just looking for function, this will function as a drawer. So, I like it so far. So yeah, I am going to be cutting off the top bit here. I just want to wait until this wood, till the wood glue dries, and then we'll be sanding and making this all even so that it will slide nicely. But for today, we are, unfortunately, we are complete. I actually need to edit this today because it is Sunday. So, I've got a bit of work ahead of me still. But I enjoyed attempting to make a drawer. And I mean, it's a drawer. It'll hold things. And, you know, there's no gaps, so that's always good. But I hope that you all enjoyed watching me fumble through woodworking. I might make that a series, fumbling through woodworking. But I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do 2 videos a week now. I want to do more, but my the new job is very demanding. So yeah. In any case, I do 2 videos a week, so if you guys want to get notified whenever I do those, then hit that subscribe button. And I hope that you all have a wonderful evening.